People are like, Red Dog, why are the futures up? They're blaming a little bit of this corrective phase on the carry trade, on Japan raising rates. And now they said they will not raise anymore because obviously they couldn't handle it. They were down 6-7%, then 12% 2 days ago. And the Nikkei bounced back about 10% and then added another 1 or 2%. That's why we're continuing to bounce back. You're up 11 points. That's a decent amount of money from Monday's close. Not even in the hole. It's Wednesday. Make sure to book some. Some of you guys took options, bought calls. Some of you guys sold puts. I bought calls and sold puts and in the SPY. So I triple dipped. The SPYs right now are at 528.44, a little bit below 529. I would think that this oversold bounce, or whatever this bounce you want to call, could see at least 532. 532-ish would be a spot that, hey, maybe if it happens today, tomorrow, maybe you want to sell a little premium. I would think there's 537 where this other gap is. This one probably doesn't get filled. I was pretty confident we could be buying, and we were in the Alpha team, for a gap fill for more cash flow yesterday. Into this spot, depending on how it happens, could be tough. I'd be even surprised if we get there. This was 524. Here's 528. At 537, we would be right back to the 2-week, this low that we put in with this was that 2-week down move. Here is the 8-day curling down. A lot of these stocks on the daily are getting to the 8-day and getting rejected on the weekly. This might be the same. From 510 to 537, that might be the first reflex move, and then we figure it out. So think ahead. By the time the street gets really bullish again, if we're back at 535, realize that could be a spot. Take a step back, start buying, especially if you didn't buy in the hole. At this point, people are saying the rally's back on, the bull market's back on, At this point, you don't have to say that. You could just say, hey, trying to get the oscillator back to neutral from 565 to here. This would be taking back about a third of the move. This would be a little bit more. And then this spot gets very tricky, and probably a better spot to put some hedges back on if you huge portfolio and covered your hedges into Monday's move, which a lot of people did.